Hey everyone, it's Realtor Ferris Tarazi with Tarazi Fine Homes and Estates. Welcome to Shmily Ct Oasis. This stunning single-story upgraded home offers a nice open floor plan throughout, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a gourmet chef's kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, quartz countertops, and a large center island that opens up to the family room with a fireplace, a master suite with backyard access, stone-tiled shower, dual vanities, and a huge custom walk-in closet, and an entertainer's resort-style backyard with a pool, spa, waterfalls, built-in barbecue, pergola, gazebo, and a workshop. Situated on a near Acre lot with the extra long 3-car garage and gated RV access, this home is a must-see. Thank you so much for watching this tour of Shmily Ct Oasis. For more information or for your own private showing, give me a call at 661-388-0575. And remember, who you work with matters.